Hi, I'm Lucy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to work crochet shell stitches. Okay, so I've started with my slip knot on the crochet hook there. I am using a chunky yarn. This is paint box yarn, Simply Chunky, and I'm using a 6mm hook. So we're going to start by creating chain stitches, and for shell stitches you need a multiple of 6 chains because each shell and the stitches either side is going to need 6 stitches. So a multiple of 6 plus 2 for your first turning chain. So I'm going to do 20. If you've not made chain stitches before, it is literally just a yarn over and pull through. It's that easy. And as always, I've lost count, so okay, so as I say, the first 2 become that initial turning chain. So we're going to start with a double crochet in the second chain on the hook there, and then we're going to skip 2 and we're going to work our first shell stitch. So it's a combination of 5 treble crochet stitches, or double crochets if you're in the US. So it's yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, oh, split the yarn there, sorry, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and the next 2, and that's our first treble. So we're going to do 5 of those into this chain stitch. That is our first shell created. We then skip 2 again and do another double crochet or single crochet if you're in the US, and that just locks down the shell to the chain. And I'm just going to repeat that all the way along. So we're skipping 2 and we're working another shell stitch into this chain stitch. That's 5 treble crochets again that we need in this stitch. Press, skip 2, pop another double crochet in there, so that gives us 2. Now, so I did a multiple of 18, sorry, a multiple of 6. My multiple of 6 was 18, so I will get 3, oops, knocking the camera, 3 shells across this chain. So I'm going to skip 2 again and work this last shell stitch to the third one. 5 trebles again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll do a double crochet into that last stitch, so we're skipping 2 again. Where's my hair? Okay. Double crochet. And that's our first row of treble crochets, well they are, but they're shell stitches made of treble crochets. So you can do a multiple of any number of treble crochets to create your shell. I just like the look of the 5 trebles. You can do 4, 3, 6, 7, as many as you want really, but I like this look. Okay, so we're now going to turn, and our next row we are going to start with 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop. 5. We are then going to attach it to the center of our shell stitch. So 1, 2, 3, because we have 5 trebles in there, so 3 is our center point, and I'm just going to work that double crochet onto the top, and that just locks it in place. And we're going to continue along working another 5. And this is going to get locked into the second shell in the center. So again, it's the top of the 3rd treble, and we'll pop a double crochet in there. And what this does is it just gives a new foundation row, if you like, for our next row of trebles. So another 5. And lock that one in. Three, and we lock that in to the base here, like so. Okay, and we're going to turn our work again, and we're going to repeat that first row. Now obviously we started with the original foundation chains, didn't we? But for this 3rd row we're going to do 1 chain and then a double crochet into that same stitch, like so. And then we're going to work 5 trebles into this stitch here. So the double crochet that we placed at the top of the shell stitch in the row below. So yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that 5 times to create our first shell for this row. Apologies if I disappear off screen, it's not intentional. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's our first shell stitch for this row. I'm then going to do a crochet into the centre of these chains here. And that centre chain, and work a double crochet to that, just locking down our shell stitch again, and then work our next shell stitch again into this double crochet here that we've created earlier. Last shell for this row, again into the double crochet we created on the row below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the pattern starts to take shape. And I'm just going to lock that in place in the middle. 1, 2, 3. So what would be the top of a treble 3? So the first 2 chains we're ignoring, just like the foundation row really, you skip 2 and lock it in place like that. So that's the shell stitch. I actually really like this stitch. I think it's a lovely open stitch. Obviously it looks a bit chunky because I'm using chunky yarn. Now you can also vary how you do this. You can actually work your second row of shell stitches into the dip, which would give you a more dense fabric. But yeah, so this is one way of doing it, is with the shell stitches on top of each other and using 5 trebles in each shell. So as I say, you could do 3, you could do 4, you could do 7 or 8 if you really wanted to, depending on your pattern. And different patterns will have the shell varying. So instead of being on top of each other, they might be off to the side, they might alternate. But ultimately that is how you create your shell stitch. It's just a multiple of treble crochets into 1 stitch from the row below. So hopefully that's been helpful. If you've enjoyed it, then please press like below and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more tutorials in the future, and you'll be notified when one appears. Thank you for watching.